Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Isheshpal and welcome to my channel Sheshpal Mathswala. In previous video we have discussed some of the derivations and I have made a simple summary of all the results that we have discussed regarding the x radius of the x circles, that is R1, R2 and R3. If you check my previous video, I just have written here only all the possible results regarding the x radius of the three circles, right? If you want to see it, you need to see my previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss a question regarding the x radius. Till the concepts that we have discussed till the previous video. Okay, I am going to cover all the possible questions regarding the concepts that we have discussed till the previous video. Okay, here he has given that the three sides. He had given the length of all the three sides, right? And he is asking to find radius of the circumcircle, radius of the incircle, and radius of the x circles, capital R, small r, R1, R2 and R3. He is asking us to find these values. He is asking to find us to find the value of these parameters, right? For this, first of all, solution. Let me consider radius of the circumcircle, that is nothing but capital R, is nothing but ABC by 4 into delta. Delta is nothing but area of triangle. Here in this question he had not mentioned the area of triangle, but he had given us all the three sides, right? By using this we can easily find the area of the triangle, right? Now here here we let me explain first of all, and after that I will explain you a simple logic. Okay, now delta. So c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos c. Okay? No. It's not here. C is nothing but 30, right? 30 square is equal to a 18. 18 square plus 24. 24 square minus 2 into 18 into 24 into cos c. Right? 30 square 900 is equal to 324 plus 576 minus 36 minus 2 into 18 into 24 into cos c. 324 plus 576, which is nothing but 900. It means these two gets cancelled. It means cos c is equal to 0. It means c is equal to 90 degrees. Right? It means it represents a right angle triangle. A right angle at C. A, C, B. Right angle at C. Okay? Small a is nothing but this. This side is nothing but 18 and B. It means this side. This side is nothing but 24 and this side is nothing but 30. C is nothing but 30, which is right angle. Right? Now, here is very easy for us to find the area. Area of the triangle is, let me erase this part. Area of the triangle is equal, delta is equal to half into 18 into 24. Half into base into height. Right? 12 is equal to 18, 12. 6, 1, 18, 12. Okay, 18 into 12. Here regarding solving these problems, we need not multiply this part. Why? I will explain you. For regarding finding the value r, we will get some cancellations, right? Instead of simplifying and wasting the time, it's better for us to keep it like this only and simplify this part in this so that our calculation will be easy. 18 into 24 into 30. A is nothing but 18, B is nothing but 24, C is nothing but 30 by 4 into area of the triangle is nothing but 18 into 12. See, if we multiply these two, again for this further cancellation it takes some time. If you keep it like this only, it will be easy for us to solve the numerical problems. 12 2 is 18, 18 gets cancelled. 2, 15 gets cancelled. Capital R is equal to 15 by 2. Radius of the circumcircle is nothing. Wait, 2 gets cancelled. So finally, radius of the circumcircle is going to be 15. Okay. So here he is asking us to find capital R, small r, r1, r2, r3. These are the parameters that the questionnaire is asking us to find. From among all this, we have found the radius of the circumcircle capital R as 15 units, whatever he mentioned. So, first part is over. Let's move to the next part. Let me erase this part also. So, okay. We have found capital which is nothing but 15. Okay. And the area of the triangle is equal to 9 into 24. Okay. Now, smaller radius of the incircle. Smaller is nothing but delta by S. Okay, smaller radius of the incircle, which is nothing but delta area of the triangle by semi-perimeter. Here S is nothing but A plus, let me simplify here only, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A is nothing but 18. 18 plus 24 plus 30 by 2. Adding these to 54, 72 by 2, 36. S is nothing but 36. Okay. Delta is nothing but 9 into 24. 9 into 24 by S. S is nothing but 36. 2 is 3 is 3. Which is nothing but C. It means radius of the X circle is going to be 6. Okay. That's how we can find the radius of the incircle. Okay, let's move on further. Let's find for R1. R1 is nothing but delta by S minus A. Delta is nothing but 9 into 24. 9 into 24 by S. S is nothing but 36. 36 minus A. A is nothing but 18. Right? 18 is equal to 9 into 24 by 18. 2 on the 2 to the 2, 12. So R1 is going to be 12. This is how we can find the radius of R1. R1. Similarly, R2. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. Delta is nothing but 9 into 24 by S. S is nothing but 36. 36 minus B. B is nothing but 24. Is equal to 9 into 24 by 12. 12 is equal to 80. So R2 is going to be 80. Okay. Similarly, R3. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. These formulas you have to remember. I think it will be easy for you. There is simple logic. R1 which is opposite to vertex A, S minus A. R2 S minus B. R3 S minus C. Delta by S minus C. There is nothing difficulty in remembering these formulas. Delta is nothing but 9 into 24 by 36 minus C. C is nothing but 30. 9 into 24 by 6. 6, 6 4 is going to be 36. So, R3 is going to be 36. Okay. Here, the questionnaire has asked us to find all these values. So, we have found all these values by using some basic formulas. Okay. This is how we can use these formulas in finding any value, either side or any radius. Okay. This is how we can prove using all these basic formulas. Capital R ABC by 4 delta, small r delta by S, R1 delta by S minus A, R2 delta by S minus B, R3 delta by S minus C. Using basic formulas. Okay, that's it for this video. For further concepts or further problems, let's meet in the next video. In the similar manner, in next video I will discuss some more questions like this from easy to hard level. Okay, from easy to difficulty. Okay, that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.